Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use emojis on your documents in Google Docs. If you want to add the emojis to your documents and make it look interesting, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the emojis to. Tap on it. Here you can find the option of pencil icon at the bottom corner. Now select it. Then find the emoji icon on your keyboard and tap on it. Now here you can find a lot of emojis that you can add to your document. Now type the emoji and choose whatever you want to add. Just like this. And that's it. This is how you can use emojis on your documents in Google Docs. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.